In August 2018, StoneSet was called upon to install porous tree pits at two iconic Sydney sites, Darling Harbour outside the ICC and the historic pine trees on Manly's Corso. The team removed existing tree pits before preparing a new porous base course. Finally, high-grade stone was mixed with resin and troweled flat into position around the base of the trees.
Once the mix has been applied to the tree pit, we simply rake it out at a depth of 30 mil over an existing porous road base, which means we achieve a porosity rate of 103 litres per metre squared per minute. The result is a fully porous tree surround which will capture any water from the rain or water after the council pressure cleans overnight. The trees will get a drink of water on top of their irrigation. It's an incredibly low maintenance solution for the council as there's no loose stone, so workers don't need to repeatedly sweep up the area. No rubbish can become trapped in any cracks or crevices. It's a completely flush surface. It extends the pathway, it extends the course so people can walk over the stone as if it was the normal pathway. And because it's natural stone, there's no UV damage over time. Unlike synthetic products, stone is a natural product and it will absorb the UV and release that as heat later on. The choice of stone has been matched with the existing pavers for the Manly Corso, and we get a clean look Northern Beaches Council have created for the entire Corso in keeping with the existing environment.
The result, a fully porous natural stone finish without the maintenance of loose stone and trip hazards. StoneSet is perfect for tree pits in highly trafficked public spaces where safety, appearance, and the health of trees matters most.